If we look at the contemporary issues, what do we find? Our country has many contemporary challenges. Now, most of these challenges are such which can easily be solved by people like you. If you start focusing on one of the problems, that problem will be solved. Each of you has the capability to create amazing impact on India. Each of you can really help us in solving our problems. But the problem is that we have not yet started focusing on our problems. We do not consider our problems as our problems. We consider our problems as government's problems. But government cannot come to solve our problems. If it is our problem, we have to solve it ourselves. If we expect the government to help us and solve our problems, you are wrong. Because government has a fixed role to perform, and therefore it is the duty of we citizens to come forward and solve our problems. So we should come and solve our problems. So what should we do? I'm just listing a few problems that I believe we all are facing. These problems, in my opinion, are a major problem. For example, pile of waste. Everywhere you will find pile of waste in our city, or wherever you are, whichever city you are living in. This photograph is from my hometown, my city, Bikaner, and this photograph has been clicked by the photographer from the central location from, just adjoining the 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 Urban City Management Council UIT office, which is responsible for cleanliness in the city. So just in front of that office, you find huge pile of waste, right? And this is the situation which is taking place in every city. This is a big problem before us. Another major problem that all of us find is corruption. Corruption, a few departments have become synonyms of corruption. A few government officers, a few government inspectors, they are known for corruption. Everyone in that department is corruption. One such post is Patwari. So often we find this news, Patwaris are caught red-handed. They are creating this kind of thing. Another problem is lack of infrastructure. Now, you have seen these girls playing outstanding in women hockey. All of them have come from villages. If you read their biographies, if you read about their background, you come to know they did not have hockey ground. They all belong to villages. They did not have hockey ground. They practiced with just sticks. And today, they are participating in Olympics tournaments. No infrastructure, and yet these girls are able to bring best performance at national level. So I've listed down a few problems before you for pondering over. Because the moment people like you start pondering over the problems, you can solve those problems. The problems are there so long as you people do not look at those problems. If you look at those problems, you are here to remove those problems. Because the people in India have tremendous power. They can do miracles. If they get a chance, they can do miracles. We have seen the picture of, you have seen the film of Dashrath Manji. One person single-handedly completely breaks down a mountain and creates a path without any support, without any support from government, without any support from society, without any support from any other person. That is the mighty willpower of a common individual in India. That is the willpower. You have seen Sulabh Shauchalaya all over the country, started by one person, right? Bindeshwar Pathak. One person decided to solve this problem and opened Sulabh Shauchalaya all over the country, in every city, in every railway station, in every bus stand, in every government hospital you find. One person giving challenge to the challenge and bringing about cleanliness, Swachh Bharat in our country. We should salute Bindeshwar Pathak. We should make him the ambassador of our Swachh Bharat program. Amazing person, amazing person. Therefore, I am saying, if you decide to solve a problem, nobody in this world can stop you from solving the problem. One problem will be gone if you decide to solve one problem. So people in India have tremendous willpower. One person created a jungle. Yes, in Assam, one person started planting trees. He planted thousands of trees and he created a huge jungle. He created huge jungle alone. One person alone created a mighty jungle in Assam. Amazing. So, similarly, we find one lady planting 80,000 bargad tree, 80,000 banyan trees. One lady. Amazing. We have large number of problems, but then we also have large number of people like you who can solve one problem each. The power of people to solve the problem through innovation is amazing. Ordinary Indian people have tried to come forward and solve problems. They have introduced innovations. They invited people to join. If somebody joins, fine. If somebody doesn't join, no problem. They find this is the problem, this is the solution, go ahead. And they single handedly fight with the problem and bring an amicable solution to the problem. And you have seen that. How people have created amazing innovations in India. We must salute them. We must salute all those people who have single handedly solved amazing problems through their efforts. If people can work together for solving a problem, the problem will immediately disappear. If people can work together to solve a problem, the problem can immediately disappear. You look at the problem of plastic use. If everyone in society becomes committed and says no to plastic, then what will happen? Plastic will disappear from India. And then pile of waste will be minimized, more than half. Because most of the waste is plastic, which is not biodegradable, and therefore it will continue to pile up. If you remove plastic from this garbage, rest of the things are biodegradable. There is no problem. They can easily get mingled into the environment, ecosystem. So then it will not be a problem. The major problem at present in pile of waste is plastic. More than 50% of the waste is plastic. And therefore, if we, the common people in India, decide We will not use plastic, will not take any plastic, will not allow anyone to use plastic. Instead of plastic, we will use carry bag made of cloth. We will not use plastic in any case. If all of us decide like this, our country will be different. In a very short period of time, we will be able to solve one major problem. So we can solve each of these problems that we have in our surrounding. Each of these problems can be solved through people like you. If you decide, no, we are not going to tolerate this problem, that problem will be solved immediately. We are waiting for the day when people like you will come forward and take commitment, take an oath. Yes, we will fight against this problem. And if you take an oath, if you decide, I'm going to fight with this problem, then that problem will be passed. That problem will be solved. There's no doubt about it. We are really fortunate that we have very concerned citizens like you. We have very responsible citizens like you. The only time that we are waiting for is the time when people like you pick up the pen and use it to fight against the problem. Yes, people are very responsible, people are very committed, the ordinary people in India are not ordinary, they are really extraordinary. They can solve any problem, each of them. But the only time that we are waiting for is the time of their awakening, their self consciousness, their determination, their willpower. Once they decide that, yes, I have to end this problem, I will not allow this problem to continue, and if they become conscious, one problem will be solved.